What's going on, you guys? My name is Rich and I am the Steel One, and today I'm taking off my glasses. It's almost it's glary. Anyway, we have a new unboxing. So got the Star Wars Smugglers Bounty. Okay, first thing, we've got a patch. Looks like Luke Skywalker, old Luke Skywalker. And the theme is Jedi. So and got a pin. I'm not sure who that is, believe it or not. I don't know. We'll look it up. Hey, sorry. Okay. T-shirt aside. Looks like we got a. Hey, hush. We got a Yoda. Little plush Yoda. Alright. And 2 pops. Boy, that seems to be the theme. Alright. We have, I can't pronounce it, Ayla Sectora. Cool. She was pretty sure she was in like one of the prequels, or more than one of the prequels, probably one of the last 2. And we've got a young Obi-Wan Kenobi. Alright, and now the t-shirt. Oh good, and it's not a pop shirt. It's pretty neat. Looks like it's old Luke Skywalker. All right, cool. Well, guys, I guess that's it. I had to take my male cat Rocky to the vet. That's where I've been. I have to go pick him up here in a few minutes. I came home and like underneath his chin, like I wouldn't say like skin was pulled away. It was more like the hair, and so it kind of like made a lesion under his chin, and I kind of freaked out and took him to this clinic that's in front of my place, and they're gonna charge me like $400, and really it would have probably been fine. I probably didn't have to take him in, but I was glad that I did, just to know that he's gonna be okay. But they're gonna like shave off some mats and brush him and give him some antibiotics, and so it's gonna be like $300–400. But I mean, it's my boy, so you know, whatever it takes. It's just that I also have to pay $400 to get something fixed on my truck. Ugh, always something. Anyway, it is what it is. God provides. I'm thankful for everything that He's done for me, and it is what it is. I'm not gonna go broke, so it's all good. Anyway, see my Omar Gosh t-shirt? I like it. Feels good. You guys should get one. I like the way it's made. It's good. Anyway, guys, short video. I made a video where me and my girlfriend went into a tunnel, and I was gonna call it the Tunnel of Steel. I don't know. It's kind of short. We didn't go in very far, but I'm putting this video out first because it's not going to take me very long to edit it, obviously. So you'll be seeing that video sometime this week, and it was pretty cool. I liked it. Make sure you check it out. It's a little spooky. I know that's one of the reasons we didn't go any farther, because Rachel was kind of freaking out a little bit. But anyway, yeah, I just want to keep talking to you guys, but I really don't have anything to say. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I love you, and almost 100 subscribers. I think it was like at 96, so pretty excited. Or like Tyrone Magnus would say, he used to say 1 million subscribers. Woo! So I'm saying 100 subscribers. Woo! I don't know. Anyway, love you guys. Keep it real. Okay, that's dumb. But have a great day, and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.